1. I present to you an exclusive offer, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, the jewel of the collection, which is now available at a price of $38,500. This beauty has already traveled 300 miles and is the epitome of style and elegance. The automatic transmission provides ease of control, and the bright red exterior combined with the black interior creates an impressive contrast. By itself, this Bel Air 2-door hardtop is a real work of art, as if it came out of the golden age of automotive design. With an engine that works like a clock and a flawless lacquer surface, this car provides a unique driving experience. In addition, the presence of power steering and power brakes give this car additional comfort and confidence on the road. With a clean title, no significant damage, and a mileage of only 300 miles, this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is ready to win your hearts. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this icon of automotive aesthetics, which promises to bring pleasure and admiration in any journey. 2. I present you a unique opportunity to purchase a 1981 Cadillac DeVille base for $10,000. This car, having traveled 85,000 miles, is not only a stylish collectible, but also an example of trouble-free driving. This Cadillac DeVille has maintained its authenticity and purity for 42 years of its existence. The yellow exterior gives it an individual style, and the automatic transmission ensures comfortable driving throughout all these years. During this time, the car underwent an air conditioning upgrade in 2005, and it is important to note that it has a 4.1-liter V6 engine, not a 4100. At the time of the last update in 2005 and to this day, this car has no rust and retains its structural integrity. If you value unique style, reliability, and history, then this Cadillac DeVille base is your choice. This car will not only provide you with comfort and driving pleasure, but will also become a unique accent in your collection. 3. I present to your attention a unique opportunity to purchase a 1972 Dodge Challenger 440 for $57,500. This car, having traveled 43,000 miles, was completely restored in 2021, including the body, interior, and engine, which makes it not only powerful, but also stylish. Painted red with a black interior, this Challenger is equipped with a torqued flight automatic transmission and a sure grip pose rear axle with a 3.91 coefficient, which provides excellent handling. The car is also equipped with a steering and brake reinforcement system. During the restoration in 2021, the original body elements were used, and although the car was originally with a 318 engine, it was upgraded to a 1970 Block 440 with a new polished Holley double Weber carburetor, which makes it truly powerful. The interior of the car has also been completely restored, including bucket seats with 3-point seat belts, a center console, an automatic gear shift lever, a tachometer, and a clock. All devices are working properly. This Dodge Challenger 440 is not just a car. It is a work of art that will provide its owner with a unique driving experience and give delight from every trip. 4. Your attention is presented with a unique opportunity to become the owner of the 1949 Mercury Sports Set in Custom, presented for sale at a price of $20,000. This car, which has traveled 663 miles, is a magnificent example of the 50s and features a stylish red exterior and interior. Equipped with a 3-gear manual transmission and overdrive function, this Mercury Sports Set in Custom offers smooth and comfortable driving. And thanks to its characteristic style of the 50s, it is a real calling card of retro cars. The car is in excellent condition, has no significant damage or problems, which makes it an attractive option for collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. Attention to detail and original styling make this 1949 Mercury Sports Set in Custom a unique offering on the retro car market. 5. We present to your attention a rare and stylish 1968 Aston Martin MBG GT, which is now available for sale at a price of $32,000. This exclusive car was expensive and lovingly restored from scratch, having traveled less than 500 miles after complete disassembly and restoration. The gorgeous blue exterior combined with the black interior create an aesthetically appealing look for this MGB GT. And with a manual transmission and a 4-cylinder engine with 2 carburetors, this car promises exciting driving and real pleasure from every kilometer. This 1968 Aston Martin MBG is in excellent condition, has no significant damage and problems. With a clean title and a lot of style and character, he is ready to delight collectors and connoisseurs of cars. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this unique car that combines luxury and history. 6. We present to your attention a rare 1969 Chevrolet Nova SS, which is now available for sale at a price of $35,000. This impressive car, having traveled only 1,600 miles, represents the perfect balance of power and style. Painted in green with a black interior, this Nova SS impresses with its external attractiveness. The 383-stroker engine, coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission, provides unsurpassed driving dynamics. In addition, air conditioning is installed, and the new March Series pulley system is installed on the car, which gives it additional style and performance. This Nova SS has an exceptionally clean title, was owned by only 2 owners, and has no significant damage or problems. Completed with a 9-inch rear axle, new foos wheels, and new tires, this car is a great combination of power, style, and uniqueness. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this Nova SS and enjoy driving a real classic. 7. We present to your attention a stylish and powerful 1973 Ford Gran Torino Brougham, available for purchase at a price of $20,000. This impressive car, having covered 94,000 miles, is a great combination of performance and comfort. Painted in an elegant gray color with a black interior, this Ford Gran Torino Brougham looks like it has just gone out of production. And under its hood, the powerful 351 Cleveland H code, which underwent a bulkhead a few years ago with some improvements, is bubbling. This car is not only beautiful, but also functional. It has a new vinyl top, an updated charging system, a subwoofer and amplifier for high-quality sound, as well as a Bluetooth stereo for a modern level of convenience. In addition, the air conditioning works flawlessly, ensuring comfortable driving. Although the quality of the paint can be described as an option for the driver, the car retains its style and attractiveness. It is also worth considering that the rear window trim was damaged when replacing the top, but this drawback can be easily eliminated. Do not miss the opportunity to purchase this Ford Gran Torino Brougham and enjoy a unique combination of style, power, and modern amenities. 8. We present to your attention a magnificent 1962 Chevrolet Corvette, available for purchase at a price of $69,995. At 87,721 miles, this impressive car is an exceptional combination of style, performance, and rarity. Painted in an elegant red color with a beige interior, this 1962 Chevrolet Corvette recreates the classic look and style of this famous model. Under the hood hides the original 327/250 HP engine, which is combined with the Powerglide automatic transmission. Surprisingly, this is one of 1532 built with an automatic transmission, making it especially valuable for collectors. This car has undergone a complete restoration of the body in compliance with factory standards. The body has a perfect shape, the paint is in excellent condition, and the chrome and decorative elements sparkle with brilliance. The interior is designed in the style of that time and is in excellent condition. No less impressive is the presence of factory electric windows, making this instance even more unique, one of 995 cars with this option. The neat tinting of the palette perfectly complements the appearance of this car. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvette is ready to come into your hands and give you a unique experience of driving and owning a legendary car. 9. We present you a unique opportunity to purchase for $40,000 a delightful 1936 Ford Cabriolet, which is ready to impress with its style and performance. This convertible has traveled 10,000 miles and is in perfect condition, giving you the opportunity to purchase not just a car, but a real work of art. The heart of this car is the brand new 383-stroker engine with AFR cell heads, which guarantees power and reliability. Additionally, the March Belt drive system is installed, ensuring the efficiency and reliability of all components. The suspension of this convertible is on the front and rear air suspension, which gives it unsurpassed comfort and handling on the road. Wilwood disc brakes are installed for maximum braking efficiency. The car is equipped with a vintage air conditioning system, providing comfort even on the hottest days. Modern details such as chrome tubular control levers, tan leather interior, and 17 and 18 chrome American wheels give this convertible a stylish and sophisticated look. And the Holley fuel injection system adds efficiency and economy. This 1936 Ford Cabriolet is not just a car, it is a work of art ready to emphasize your unique taste and style. With 2 previous owners and a clean title, it provides confidence in its origin and condition. 10. We present you a unique opportunity to become the owner of an elegant 1966 Lincoln Continental Coupe for just $11,500. This magnificent car, having traveled only 1,2,345 miles, is in excellent condition and provides a unique chance to feel the splendor of style and comfort. This Lincoln Continental Coupe has a unique design framed by a snow-white exterior and a stylish interior in blue tones. The automatic transmission ensures smoothness and comfort when driving, making every trip a pleasure. This car, although in good condition, provides you with the opportunity to make some improvements. For example, the seats need to be restored, and the ceiling needs to be updated. However, this creates a unique chance for you to bring your own individual style to this magnificent car and make it truly unique. With a clean title and no major damage or problems, this 1966 Lincoln Continental Coupe is ready to decorate your collection and give you an unforgettable driving experience. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this classic beauty.